interest there and your focus there. And Dave Swedish will now introduce us in the BoxChek7 inspection software. Please,
Thank you,
Dave.
Mark. I am proud that Valco Melton group of companies has more than half of its direct employees working outside the United States since 2016. Approximately 400 some employees, more than half of them work outside the US. Because in fact, as a company headquartered in the United States, it's really difficult to compete with our crazy politics for attention on the world stage. But when you ask what is new with the clear vision products from Valco Melton, there is in fact a lot to talk about. Our Canadian team of vision engineers works constantly to improve your ability to measure each box and remove defects from your production. So if you have flexor folder gluers and multi-point gluers in your operation, you may already be familiar with clear vision equipment from Valco Melton. Tools such as Glue Check and Fold Check that are part of the BoxChek7 suite of products are installed all over the world on new machines and existing machines, and they're making Michael Fry's recommendation from yesterday to measure more of our production a reality on converting machines. ClearVision's BoxChek7 uses up to 6 cameras to inspect many aspects of box production, including adhesive application, gap and fold quality, print registration, and score placement. And of course, defective bundles can be automatically removed from the production screen. So what is new is that ClearVision has added products and capabilities so that you can measure what's important to you on your converting equipment, remove those defects, and most important, understand the root causes of those defects. So for example, Code Check is a camera that images and reads a barcode on a corrugated box, whether it be 2D or a linear code, including variable data codes. Code Check images and auto-identifies the code, and it can auto-arm to avoid human intervention altogether in the workflow. So those of you that run pre-print liner with barcodes already on the box will find that mixed copy issues can easily be identified. And if you print variable codes digitally, each new code can be read and stored in a database and shipped with the order. Further, you will know that the code has in fact been read on the converting equipment already and therefore will be readable by downstream code readers and handheld readers farther down the supply chain. You may like the idea also that glue inspection is a good thing, but you don't want to have glue UV in your glue. Shadow Check is new for 2017 and is your answer. Shadow Check's special lighting technology makes any glue on any colored liner visible without UV. The camera mounts in exactly the same place after the glue station as a standard glue check camera, and of course can be used top down and bottom up. And the great thing about Shadow Check is it works exactly like standard glue check with UV. The images are displayed in the same way and the defects are reviewed in the same way. And just like with glue check, box length, tab dimensions, distance between the glue and your edges, volume, skew, and other glue check tests are measured the same way on Shadow Check images. Yesterday, we also heard a lot about measuring more in order to improve quality, in particular with gap control, fold gap control. And now is your chance to put that into practice. As my colleague from BOPST earlier today explained, very few case-maker machines are designed to inspect each finished box completely folded. So Bundle Fold Check can inspect a completed folded gap at the bottom or the top of each bundle, depending on how the machine folds, after the bundle leaves the counter ejector. Bundle Fold Check positions the camera automatically and measures the gap of the completed box as a sample from each bundle. So you gather the data by measuring the gap on the top or the bottom box as the sample from the bundle. And of course, like other ClearVision test results, the data are stored along with a full capability analysis so that users can be notified of trends and other events through email and text messages. Some of our customers that already have Bundle Fold Check installed are even required by their customers to automatically email the data as they ship the order. Some machines have very little space for additional equipment to be mounted around the glue station. And for these cases, ClearVision is introducing Mini Glue Check, ideal for small flexos, multi-point gluers, and other machines that routinely run very small boxes. Mini Glue Check is only 60 millimeters wide, and it can image its full width. The number of connectors has been reduced and made more robust to facilitate easier switching from top-down to bottom-up application. BoxChek7's clean interface is also now the starting point for gluing adjustments. From the ClearVision touchscreen, make any changes to the Valco Melton glue system and see the information displayed in the same format as you would see it anywhere else in BoxChek7. But as always, data are the keystone in the process of sustaining the value of inspection equipment. ClearVision's measurement check stores both job and per box data on the ClearVision equipment. So rather than using USB sticks and other inconvenient methods to access your data, you access it from your desktop directly to a LAN-connected BoxChek7. We will never store your data in the cloud, and the unit does not even need to be connected to the World Wide Web. ClearVision even has corporate versions of Measurement Check to integrate data from multiple machines at multiple sites and monitor production quality from a corporate level. Every quality manager dreams of being able to find the exact order in the exact box that had a defect that they're looking for and be able to explain why it happened. So don't get caught without a ClearVision. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave. Next presentation is also focusing